welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be the Colourpop Fairy Well palette. This is just such a beautiful, beautiful palette. Like, as much as I love colorful, fun looks, you throw a palette at me like this, and I am just all about it. Also, I'm running super late. It's my husband, I gotta remember not to call him my boyfriend, my husband's family's Christmas party thing, so, gotta get it together, do a quick look. This is just gonna be like a classic holiday look, you know, just something that you can wear out to a party, whatever. Of course, there's gonna be lots of glitter, sorry, that's my phone, involved. And so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with the shade Pond, which is the shade right here. And also, just, this is like a very serious question. How do y'all eat your bananas? I know this is very strange, but like yesterday, my husband just like picked up this banana and just like ripped all of the, what is it called? The peeling off. And then he just held the banana and ate it. And I'm like, what? And he's like, this is how I eat my bananas. And like, I swear I've seen him eat a banana before and I don't remember him doing that. And I guess the only thing is, like, I just always like leave, like, I, you know, peel a little bit off, take a bite, you know, but I leave the peeling on, you know. But he's just like completely like ripped all the peeling off. So then there's just like a naked banana or something, and he's just like holding it, eating it, and I don't know why. It just looked really strange to me. So, how do y'all eat your bananas? Like, I'm curious. I genuinely need to know. Anyway, but yeah, I'm just curious, because I know, like, I'm usually at work when I eat my banana, and I'm like usually really busy, so I'll like take a bite, and then I'll sit it down, and so I'm like, maybe that's why I do it that way. But I think even before then, I just would always like just peel it down like bit by bit, you know, as I took a bite. But maybe I'm the weird one that eats bananas like in a strange way. So if you guys don't mind, just leave a brief description of how you eat bananas down below. That would be amazing. I'm curious. I should probably YouTube it. There's got to be a video about this out there somewhere. So anyway, okay, so I was filming, and of course my camera shut off because why not? So, now I'm just gonna go into I'm thinking, because I know I'm like, this is gonna be a simple, easy look. So we're gonna go in with the shade Folklore, which is right here. And we're just gonna do this outer corner, and this had so much fallout. I am questioning these choices right now. Just deepening up that outer corner a little bit. Like, can you guys see all this fallout? Right there. Can you see that? I hope you can. If not, I promise you it's there. Okay. Oh crap. I just got somewhere I did not want any, but that's okay. Alright. And my husband told me, he's like, don't bend down when you're doing your eyeshadow because you go out of frame. So I'm trying really hard, you guys, to not do that. I think I was okay for a couple of videos, and then I went back to my bad habits. I apologize. Okay. I know, like, every time I'm like, I'm just gonna do a simple look, and then things just get out of hand, and I don't even know what happens. Now, we gotta do some glitter. We have to festive this look up. So, I don't know if I need a brush for this, but I'm gonna try it with a brush. The shade Fawn Guy. I guess it's like fungi because it's a fairy palette. I don't know. But We're gonna try and take this on a brush, and I feel like I might be regretting this. I don't know. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna go in with my finger because I think that's the best way to do this. And I mean, this is beautiful. I love it. I'm just gonna go between like the brush and my finger. Alright. Very beautiful. Very shimmery, glittery. Can you see that? Woo. I love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the brush, you know, kind of like I did on that other eye, just to kind of define where I'm going with this. And then I will just use my finger to kind of pack it down a little better. This is just so beautiful. Okay. What? I somehow have random specks of who knows what on my nose, but that's okay. I want to go back and just define the outer V a little bit more. And then I'll probably go through and just try and blend a little bit better. Just a little more. Just with the brush that I used to start off. I won't really have anything like on it. I just kind of want to blend this all out a little bit more. So here's that brush, and there's nothing on it. We're just kind of going to blend out right here. Just a little bit. Smooth out some edges. There we go. Alright. I think that's looking okay. Now, for the lower lash line, I just want to take this shade Flower Crown right here, which is just like a light beige shade, and I'm just going to gently put this under the lower lash line. Alright, so this was totally not the brush to use for that because I got stuff way further down than I wanted, so I'm going to have to fix that. And I'm just trying to find my brush that I used to do the lower inner corner. I somehow lost it. Not surprised. Okay, so we're going to take this shade right here, which is Little Orb, right here. And that's just going to be our little inner corner highlight shade. Just a really pretty pink shimmer. Alright, so I'm gonna go put my mascara on. I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back, and this is the final look. And this is with the Colourpop, what is this called? Very Well palette. So beautiful, you guys. So here's another look at the inside of that palette. And also, I just want to talk about the lip shade that I'm wearing because it is phenomenal. It's the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lip. And it is in the shade, Hawkwind. And it's so beautiful. And this is my first time trying one of these lips. I believe they've switched to a different formula now. But the applicator is perfect for me because my lips are super, super tiny and I just really struggle with any other liquid lip. So I found this at TJ Maxx. I think it was like $6.99. So I will definitely be hitting up TJ Maxx again soon to get as many of these as I can because they are just phenomenal. And I think they're just getting them all in the stores because they are like reformulated it or something. So that is it for today's look. Thank y'all so much for watching, for giving this video a thumbs up, for subscribing to my channel, for commenting down below. Don't forget, how do y'all eat your bananas? I need to know. So anyway, thank y'all so much. Please stay safe. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, whatever, wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.